there, I'd love to welcome you to this stream. My name is Aluwasi Charts. Welcome to the Booster Charts YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me live. Yeah, these past weeks have been a little bit crazy. You know, trying to balance and manage the markets. Very interesting, very important time. I've also just been doing some research and thought, in today's market, because what we are waiting for right now is a buying position in what we're waiting for right now is a buying position in Bitcoin. All right, that's what we're waiting for. We're waiting for a buying position in Bitcoin. So I thought, while we wait for buying position, because trading is like seasons. Right, trading is like seasons. Also, before I go on, I'd love to thank my mentor Kiyosaki, who wrote the book Rich Dad Poor Dad. Tim Sykes wrote the foreword to the book The Stock Course, and finally Matthew Crater wrote the book Rocket Stocks. Mentors are important because we learn from their mistakes. So shout out to my mentors, and thank you as well for watching this video. Now, trading is very important, and you need market sentiment, and market sentiment is basically, we're looking at it from the standpoint of a season. Again, it's very easy. Yeah, it's very easy. Like, it's very easy to um, it's very easy to like not, to be a guru in this game. Yeah, it's very, very easy to be a guru, but humility uh, is very, very important. I know we're going through Thanksgiving, you know, and I don't want, like, I have changed, you know what I mean? I am no longer doing speculative plays. You know, and I'm no longer doing, speculative plays has been like a godsend for me. It's like I am less stressful, uh, and I'm just more focused. All right, sorry about me pausing sharing my video so to get a bit of some traction on these videos. So I'm just sharing it on X, live video stream that is. So it's very much important, to have less stress when you're trading, because you do not want to over trade. So every day millions of traders jump into the markets chasing gurus, reacting to breaking news, or letting crowd and greed push them into dangerous positions. And every day those same traders watch their accounts bleed while asking the same question: why is it so hard? Why can't I win consistently? The answer is simple: because the market punishes emotion but rewards discipline and clarity. Let's break down the truth behind the noise and reveal the real path to profitable stress-free trading. The hidden traps that blow 90% of traders. Number one, fake gurus. Now, fake gurus, they promise 90% win rate, they show cherry-picked profits, and they sell you confidence, not skill. But when the market turns, they disappear, and you're left with confusion instead of a system. And this is very important, because today as I was sleeping and I was thinking about my life, and how I kind of like understood the whole psychology behind trading, because I was wondering like what made me survive the trading game, at the end of the day, because I was at I was at a crossroad in my life. Okay, meaning I almost lost. I almost lost everything. I put in my all when it comes to trading. I put in my all, and I followed all the figures. I followed them all consistently, and not ever even once did I like miss a heartbeat. I followed them consistently in the sense that I just followed everything that they did. You know, but despite me following, you know, everything, following these gurus, I was still losing. So when the market turns, they disappear. It's very true. Trading on breaking news. Now, by the time news hits the public, the market has already priced it in. You are trading late and you are trading hype, and hype always ends with losses. Trading things like earnings report is definitely not a good idea. And I remember using that strategy. I remember using that strategy, and it was not a good idea. Trading on crowd. Now, when the crowd becomes euphoric, prices go vertical until they collapse. If your strategy is based on what others feel, you become a victim of their emotions. So try your best not to trade on, the crowd greed. The smart trader's authentic sentiment was technicals. Now, if you follow Robert Kiyosaki, he will always say trade based on technicals and fundamentals. Your fundamental in this situation is your sentiment. So sentiment is almost the same as a fundamental. Instead of rushing into chaos, elite traders follow a simple, quiet philosophy. Trade on sentiment. So trading on sentiment is very, very important. So trade on sentiment and technical analysis. Let the charts reveal real intentions, not emotional reactions. Focus on pure technical analysis. All right, so we're going to end the video. All right, we're going to end the video here, and we'll continue this lesson tomorrow. But remember, the price tells the truth. Focus on pure technical analysis. Indicators confirm it, okay? So I want you to focus on pure technical analysis. Take fewer trades and make better trades. The fewer trades you take, the less you expose yourself to risk, and the more focused your decisions become. This is how patient professionals trade. No noise, no stress, no formal. So that's it for this video. Remember, we are focusing on Bitcoin now. Right, we are focusing on Bitcoin. All right, that's what we are focusing on. So focusing on Bitcoin, we're waiting for that season to buy Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is in a market correction, so we're just waiting for the MACD to go green on the weekly chart. So right now, the best thing to do is to stack up, right? Start saving, so that when the right time comes to buy Bitcoin, you will be ready. The best trade that I made, obviously, was this past week, which I recorded in the Nasdaq. So this was the trade that I recorded, and we recorded market pullback. It was a very powerful trade. So the bet was here, and the stop loss was there. And you can see our entry on this on this breakout bar, on this 4 hour breakout bar. This is where our entry was. It was on this breakout bar, and there was a lot of downside, but we found support on the 4 hour chart before hitting our stop loss, and this is ideally what a good trade looks like. So we'll continue on this article tomorrow. I've run out of time, but thank you so much for joining me, for watching my lives. If you want to learn more, please check out um, my long videos. You know, I've recorded long 2 hour videos prior to this, and those long 2 hour silent videos will complement this one. So thank you so much for watching.